It's Tuesday, December 22nd, 2020. We are 3 days away from Christmas. The market will be closing at half the day on Thursday, December 24th, and of course close on Christmas Day, which is Friday, December 25th. So, first of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade. You can look what I do and learn from my errors, or find something you think I may be doing right and then build on that. I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm not telling anyone what to do with their hard-earned money. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks and show folks how I trade stocks. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So, here we are. This morning the market is green. Oil is down. Gold is up. Last night they passed the COVID relief bill, so should be some money coming in the market today, or hopes of positive reinforcements. Current watch list is right here. I really want to hop in this PHAR IPO. The current price, I think it said, was 11 bucks. I think it said, or 9 bucks. I forgot the exact price right now, but I do know it only had a 900,000 share float, which is very low for IPO. So it may explode as soon as it becomes available. Matter of fact, PHAR has a 900,000 share float on its IPO. Opening price. My bad, I'm trying to watch the screen at the same time. Will be between $9 to $11. All right, I'm over here now. Let's see. It's currently 9:26 and 23 seconds. We have 3 minutes and 30 seconds before the market opens. I'm currently watching AMTX for a possible scalp out the gate. You look right here, you will see it's been in this channel for the last few hours. So I'm going to tell you guys, watch this 383 to 416 channel on AMTX. Watch this 383 to 416 channel. At this point, I don't need to tell you what I'm saying. You can look and see yourself. Charts. I'm currently watching AMTX for a possible move out the gate. JG, possible move out the gate as well. It's my small account here. I can only trade one stock in a small account. I won't trade more. I put in the group this morning for those like OCGN, smaller stocks. You could have bought in back here for run up. Look right here. You will see right here. Those like cheap stocks, OCGN, right? Right there. HUSN is fading horribly, but it had news this morning. Look back here. It had merger news. Showed about the increased revenue. Or capital, sorry. Yeah, it's pulled back. How does that happen? So right now, my only choice that I even like a little bit is right here. Look what happened. It hit that top of that channel. It pulled back, blew through it. Found support, blew through it. Rode above it, pulled back, bottomed it, right? Tapped it, pulled back. Now, if it blows through it right here, I'll watch for the first pullback and then buy on the way up. If it pops above it, I immediately buy in above it. The VWAP is at 406. Right? See that lime green or that turquoise color? It's 406. Current price is 388. It's a red candle on a 5-minute. Red volume bar. Consolidation at its current moment. AKA slight pullback. Also have a solid light red candle down here, which is all showing sell, right? Go over here, level 2. We got buyers coming in right now for market opens. Okay, not many sellers. Look at the news here. We have news this morning. Is the EV market. We know by now the EV market has been doing numbers for the last few months. So I'm just watching this channel here. The 5-day, 15-minute chart is showing consolidation. It's showing the pullback slightly. And it's showing here, we got a dark green candle, which means it's reversing to the negative side. If you look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart, you will see same thing I showed you a minute ago. Look at the 1-day, 1-minute chart, you will see reversal, possibly, right? For a scalp up to the channel. Look, we here, consolidation, move upwards, right? Let me go to 5-day, 5-minute, 4-minute. Let me go 10-day, 180-day, 4-hour. So it's the highest it's been, was 538 back here on 1021. Let me go to the 5-day, 5-minute. Let's scroll up. I'm checked over here from 110. Let's see what happens right here. Try to buy before the first candle completes itself. Let's watch. Watch this bar. Watch this curvature. Watch this turn to a dark green. Dark red. We need to be dark red. Second leading gapper of the day. JG is the first leading gapper. I said earlier, I want to fall through this and find support for the run up. BRPA. Forgot to put that in the group. Let me go back over here and watch it. I haven't traded anything yet. Nothing. I want to watch for a minute as my phone rings right as I freaking push the button to log in. They're going to pull back I was looking for right there. Let me go over to my larger account and try to find a buy-in entry on one of these stocks. What do we see? What do we see? Remember, don't force trades, right? This thing has traded in 13.8 million shares almost with no volume. How's that possible, right? All right. What's next? Let me see. BRPA just halted. Did it halt? It sure did. BRPA halted on volatility. So let me go over here for a minute. How does the stock halt on 56,000 shares traded? Easy. 2.6 million share float. All right, where we at? Looking for some stocks to trade. So far, my second leading gapper, my eyes on AMTX. It's watching for moves right here. I'm not gonna stalk it. Give me time to look at my cell phone and find other stocks to trade. Because again, if one don't work, another one will. I didn't put this in there, did I? I didn't. Okay. JG. Here go one. LAZR. Put in the group earlier, so it's already there. LAZR. Where LAZR at? Let me put this over here. LAZRENSV. All right. All right. PLTR, that's in the group as well. PLTR. That's in the group. I haven't traded anything yet in my small account. As you guys see, I'm on the screen right here. I traded nothing yet. So I'm still waiting for a nice setup for my small account. CLA is moving slowly but surely. It's going to happen. PLTR. Am I in PLTR? I am not. SPWH is on my long-term holds. I got it in my I think Charles Schwab. I think it is. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to log back on in a minute. Trying to find some action in my larger accounts. JG is pulling back. UAVS. It's not doing much of nothing either. Let me find UAVS. Slow morning. Don't force a trade, right? UAVS is over there. There we go. MVIS coming in. So we type in over here. MVIS and ELYS coming in. So the chart, my watch list right there. When I say move up the chart, I refer to my watch list. Here we go. Let's find a move right here. Back into this channel. That'd be a buy-in point for me on this AMTX. If I get it back in that channel again. What I'm gonna do in a minute is draw a regression channel, and it's gonna show you the movement it's making little by little. Let me see. Here we go. Let's go. Waiting for reversal before I do anything. On my phone, missing all the video. We watching. As I'm doing this on my phone, we're gonna watch live on the video. So give me a second. Trying to find some profits to make. Profitable trades in my larger accounts to make some money as I do this video at the same time. So 215. Let me go here for a minute. Not in anything yet, my small account. Don't forget, I haven't traded anything yet. VLDR, is that over there? Nope. All right. Don't force a trade. All right, let's go. Okay, this can get out of here. I don't trade cheap stocks anyway. This is why. You see over there. JG can go over there now. JG is pulling back terribly. Right? We have 540 and steady pulling back. CLA is coming up. HUSN has faded. Here comes CLA. So CLA moving. See CLA right here? High of day 1538. I'm gonna draw a line right there at 39. Channel's going to be right here below it. This here is failed support. Way oversold. Look down here. This is the bottom back here. We were tracing to the bottom again. Big, large sell bars. That's terrible. Oh man. Let's see what we got here. First channel was 618, 616, 666. We're gonna say 620 right there. For support, it's right about here. Let me come across. All right, there we go. So JG is trading 23 million shares on 115 million share flow. Look at CLA. It's gonna pop high of day. So I'm gonna go here. Looking for a new high of day. And here we go. Watch this. 25. 25 still. 18. We got a big, large green buy candle. Look at that. Everything is saying high of day, right? I'm gonna leave that line there and go and add some more to my watch list while I'm waiting. Again, I haven't traded anything in my small account. EZPW. Large account, I made a couple of trades already that I'm not gonna put in here. I told myself today, I'm only gonna show you these small account trades. You even talk about when I'm trading in my large account, I'm only gonna show you these small account trades. I might call out points though, like I just did, but just know I'm trading my cell phone and computer. When you hear me pause for a minute or lose track of what I'm doing, like right now, I'm typing and trying to read at the same time. I'm trying to find other areas to make trades at on my cell phone or my MacBook. So I'm not always trading from one device. I'm just adding my watch list here, making sure everything is up to par. Without a good watch list, you leave out opportunities you may have had otherwise. Hey, you know what's back? WBAI is back. Hold on. Hold on a second. I just saw it somewhere. What was I looking at? See what I mean? I'm everywhere. WBAI is back. All right, all right, all right. Very good, very good, very good. Looking pretty good so far. Very good, very good. Now I bought PLTR at the IPO. I sold it like 2-3 weeks ago. I should have held it because now it's $30. It happens sometimes, you know. All right, where we at? Where we at? WBAI is back. I said that already. Let me see. Let me see. SOL is back. CLNE. MFH is back. Notice this. The stock is repeating itself. They'll be here a few days, disappear. They come back a week later, disappear. Simple. They move in waves, right? So today may be a bad day for one stock, but next week it'll come back. Does not mean buy and hold the stock for a long period of time, hoping that you're going to get your money back. That's dangerous. However, we know by now stocks move in waves, so they will retrace themselves sooner than later. JG is still pulling back here, this $5 mark. Look back here. It popped up this morning. We had news this morning. Some trash news right here. Wasn't no really great news. Yeah, it was. It popped up and pulled straight back. Got that twice. Why I got JG twice? Pick a new stock. Look at BRPA halted again. Where we at? Where we at? Halted a second time. All right. AMTX doing nothing. 20 million shares being traded on 21 million share float, and it's barely moving. That's trash. JG dumping. That's trash. SPWH, one of my long-term portfolio holds. SPWH. Reverse split look like. I must have totally missed that. Never mind. There we go. They got some news. 900 billion stimulus, move search, green takeover. Okay. Good stuff. I bought it a few months back when it was in the dumps. QS, larger stock. You're trying to do 4 things at one time, you forget how to spell words. So let me go to QS for a minute and try to make a trade on this QS. I'm going to put it on the screen in a minute. Once I get my position lined up. In at 124.50 for a target price of 126. So let's see what happens right here. Let me see. Let me put it on the screen in a minute. Hold on. QS. Yeah, it's looking terrible this morning. These freaking stocks, man. These quote unquote penny stocks penny stocks are looking terrible. Penny stocks are looking terrible this morning. These one less than $10, they are far and few between. So we can't find no really good ones worth buying in a small term account. Now, with larger account, you can buy quite a few shares in and out, a couple seconds, keep on pushing. But in a small account where you're going to buy 100, 200 shares, it's very dangerous to buy those 100, 200 shares and hold it for hours on end for a little small move. Look up here though. I haven't bought anything yet. However, retracement is coming. AMTX. Don't force trades though, right? I see. It bounced out that channel I had earlier. Let me get rid of that. For a possible, let me see. For a possible move up. So next target buy, that's a bar. Looking for a 360 buy-in. Where we at? AMTX. $360 resistance. So here we are. We got a green bar coming in. We made profit this morning, consolidated, and pulled straight back. Solid, right? We curving up. Buy in 360 possible. I'm only gonna buy about 100 and let me see. I'm gonna buy about 120. Random numbers, right? On the 5-day, 15-minute chart, it's gonna show you here. We still reversing, right? It pulled straight back. Shows up here. Consolidation, we turn up. The same point doesn't show the same. If you look here, you go to the far right, you'll see it right there. See that now? It touched the same point here. But on the 5-minute chart, it showed here. Straight across, right? Make sense? Good. JG still fading. It's at 512 now and pulling back further and further. This is going to be your new leading gapper for sure. In a matter of seconds, maybe even minutes. Let's watch. Watch that 360 mark for a possible jump. We currently at 948. I made 0 trades yet in a small account because you gotta buy 100, 200, 300, or even 400 shares. And for any kind of profit, you need 10 cents or more. Hope you get 30, 40 to $1. Now from here to here, it's almost a full dollar retrace, which is less than half this largest green candle here, which is fine. You want to be 50% or less a pullback for it to still be a solid potential buy candidate. There we go. I'm reading stuff. I'm talking. I'm on my cell phone. Look at JG. Look up here. It's hitting that support level I drew earlier. I drew this line about 30 minutes ago. Look what it's doing. Busting right through that line I drew 30 minutes ago. You gotta draw points and keep an eye on what they're doing in order to be successful as a day trader or swing trader or intraday trader or long-term investor. Any and all. It needs to be a large green buy candle. Look at the buyers. Look at the sellers. They lined up on the sell. Look at that. Up and down the axis. Right? Perfect. The lowest has been market open is 341. And it's steady pulling backwards. I haven't bought anything yet. Again, on a small account. I'm just waiting. Let me go over here to my charts. Keep an eye on this. QS is fading slowly but surely. It had a big bull move up and it pulled back. Meanwhile, look at this. JG is making that point support. That 510 point. See that? Interesting. All right. ALPP. Float too large. BRPA has a small float, but it's not as much volume. Yesterday lesson I told you about the volume in stocks. If there's no volume in that stock, it's going to burn you every time trying to buy it with no volume. You see it here. You'll be holding this thing forever. It halted twice on volatility, but now it is stuck at that point. We had nothing worth buying right here. UAVS, 57 million share float. We need small floats. Here we go. HUSN still sitting around. HUSN still hovering around with a small float. I missed the retrace, didn't I? I sure did. I missed the retrace. Man, it happens sometimes. HUSN. I missed the retrace. Gosh dang it. I hate when it happens. So I'm going to hop in a minute on this bounce up. 5 million share float. Sorry, 6 million share float. 5 million shares being traded. Check the news. I missed the bounce up. They had news this morning. Right? Revenue, increased capital. So while I was looking at it, I could have saw it back here for red to green. Right? Or new kind of make a new high. Me buying in right there. I could have bought in right about here somewhere, approximately 355, and I'd be up right now, daggone 25 cents already, but I wasn't watching it, because so far down the list. Notice though, the float 6 million, very, very tiny float, as opposed to the one up here I was looking at, AMTX, has a 21 million share float. So, HUSN, where we at? Watch this move here. All right, I'm in it. As you guys know by now, I won a quick 10-15 cents, hopefully. High of day is 479. It's up here. Next point is 426. And the next point is right there, which is 397. So, I'm going to say, if we pop $4, then we got potential to retrace. High of day only has a 6 million share float. Let's watch. Look at that. You want that, right? Straight bullish. You want this to turn over. This is way oversold. Way oversold. So we pop $4, we got room to run. Let's see what happens right here. Let me see, 10%. So I bought in at $3.73. If I want 10%, I need about, we're gonna say 38%, 38 cents. How about that? So in this case, I need to reach $5.11. I'm sorry, $4.11. 411, which is right here, which is not too far off. The VWAP is 389, right? We have a A, B, C, right, pattern. We want it to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? On and on and on and on. Here I'm going to draw my regression channel and see what it does right here. Let me go to my drawings and do this. This bottom of this wick right here. Right there. Erase that. Escape. Right here to right here. And draw it to the right. So we wanted to follow this channel straight up and then break it, right? Let's watch. Let me get out of this. Back to my drawing tool and watch for a minute. Now you know by now it must retrace the VWAP, right? It's moving little by little, you know. I could have hopped out for like 10 bucks, something like that, but I need a lot more than that. Not being greedy, but I know it can do a lot more than that. Trust the process. I saw it way too late. It's my fault. I was watching everything else but that. And I missed my buy-in point. It happens. And watch it for a bit right here, see what it does. It's 4 minutes to 10. I'm gonna end the video at 10 o'clock or so, depending on how the stock is looking. Cause I don't like holding stuff way too long, but you may have to. Let's see. Here come the move here. Here come the bull candle. Here come the bull candle right here. Alright, let me get over here. Let's watch the channel. Regression channel. See what it's doing? It's banging the whole channel. Right? You want to make middle support. Then bounce through that middle and blow the channel. We still burgundy. We still consolidating. We still a little oversold. We wanted to be a large green candle, right? Bull candle again for the move upwards. We have 6 million share float. 6.3 million shares being traded. So about the same amount of shares as the float is. Tiny float. This is one of them stocks you can hold if you wanted to for a few hours longer than you want it to. Because you know it's going to do what it's supposed to do. You can also go in here and create a trading stop. If you up or down, trading stop. What I do is I go look at my candle and see how far the 5-minute candle has moved. So right here, the high was 385. The low was 359. That is 25 cents in that candle. So I would make a 25 or 23 cent trading stop, meaning as this move, my bottom target be right here, the price target be here. As it goes up, it pulls it with it. But as it pulls back, it stays in the same spot. So as it goes up again, it pulls it with it. As it pulls back, it stays in the same spot. So it could come all the way down in here almost and touch it, and then create the stop loss. Or come down here to the bottom of it and not touch it, and then bounce back up. So I got the full ride back up still. Gift and the curse is you may rise up 30 cents and may only get 15 cents in that pull because you had your stop loss so far backwards. Make sense? So the catch is to be in the green first, about 10 to 15%. before putting in a stop loss. That way, no matter what, you guaranteed your higher percentage of gain. Hope that makes sense. BWAP currently 388. So I'm gonna go here and say current look up here though. I said somewhere around here. Remember where I put it at. Different stock, sorry. So it's not doing much, but it's okay. This green line here is my EMA. The EMA is 367. So basically the EMA is support. It's riding the EMA. That's okay, right? Now it's curving upwards. VWAP is above it. It's also curving upwards. Perfect, right? We need a red to green move. We need a first candle to make a new high. So we need this green candle to be up here. Once it pops this $4 mark right here I drew earlier, 397 area, we got room to run. Let me get rid of this channel. So usually it breaks that channel, you get out of it, right? This is why. Watch this. See what happened? It broke the channel, then it dumped. 1 minute chart's going to show you this though. It's going to show a pullback, right? Support is still 362. It's showing here is oversold. It's showing here is selling off. So those channels help you out a lot. But if you know for a fact it's oversold, you gotta understand that it must recover. The 15-minute chart is showing you this. Look, it's already oversold. Not quite, but it's real close. Right? The low point was right here. So we should bang this point over and over again and then skyrocket up. Let me go to 5-minute chart for a minute and watch it. Next move up, I'm gonna hop out of it. Look at my BTCS and BTSC. Bitcoin is rolling again. Now I knew that without looking. So current right now, I can look at this one stock right here on the left. I just saw it. Where'd it go? Right here. When I see my BTCS up, I know immediately that Bitcoin is rolling. So if I go into the chart here, look at Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is currently up 3.06%, 23,441 bucks. I know immediately by seeing this BTCS stock over here. Whenever Bitcoin runs, so does this stock. Also, Riot does. It's also a blockchain. Let me go over here for a minute. Let me go to Riot. Riot right now, it's up 7%, right? It was higher than that. Blockchain. Let me edit this to my Riot as well. All right, so now you got it. Riot, BTCS, BTSC runs with Bitcoin prices. We go to my larger account and we're going to look for Bitcoin, BTSC. I could have sold for a $10 gain. I should have did that, but I didn't. Tell you what the market gives you. I'm gonna hold this for a minute though. I might hold this for a couple days even. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Right. Trying to buy these three in my large account. Let's see if I can get a good price though. Let's see. BTCS. Nope. None of them. Nope. Yeah, buy those for at limit prices. You can't buy those at market. Okay, so as the phone rings as always. Wouldn't be a day trading if the daggone phone didn't ring. BTCS. What's the current price in BTCS? Look at Riot. It's in the group. BTCS. Current price is 24.8. So let's see what we got going on here. BTSC. Got a buy limit. Now I don't want to find it now on my large account. Go figure. Okay. It's 10:06. I'm in the video in 9 minutes. I haven't traded anything yet in my small account. Well, yeah, I have. I traded HUSN. I'm still holding it right now. I take that back. I did. BTSC. BTSC. I get some BTSC in here? Let's see. Would it work? I think it did. That's going to be a long-term hold as well. Now, my BTSCs and BTCSs, I hold those. I hold those for days sometimes because they move in ways. And they're going to move totally off depending of the price of Bitcoin. So I hold those for days sometimes, not even months. If you look in portfolio, you'll see that I hold that for forever. Look at Riot. May pop 1250. Watch Riot. Watching for why I can't find this daggone stock in my daggone large. That's 1210. Let's watch. Bottom right. Video will end in 2 minutes. I'm going to end the video, turn on my television, and keep on trading. So I'm still gonna be around, just not gonna be on video. Where we at? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see something. BTC is interesting. What BTSC doing? YCS. Well, I can't put a sell order in. Interesting. I gotta hold it for a little while, and I thought I would. Okay, sell. It's gonna be this. It's gonna be this. There we go. Now it's there. Okay, cool. All right, so if you look right here on the, let me get out of Riot and get out of SPWH. So let me get out of Riot. I'm about to get in YGMZ before it halt. I see it moving. YGMZ. Did I get in for a halt tip? Let's see. And I did. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to do all the stuff at once. Here come 1250. I see you, cuz. Doing video now. YGMZ halted on volatility. I'm out of SPWH. Hop out of that. SPWH. Hop out of that. WBAI. I'm hop out of that. VERO. I'm hop out of that. Let's see what else we got going on. All right. YGMZ halted on volatility. Let me get rid of my Bitcoin stocks up here. Now YGMZ ran a couple days ago. It ran up to, I think it's somewhere around 21. Yeah, 21 bucks a couple days ago. It pulled back. Had a one bad trading day, 2 bad trading days, and in comes today. Bam, moves up to halt on volatility with 0 news. Part 2. Be careful of stocks running with no news. What happened here, Joe? Easy. Someone shorted it. Well, many people shorted it. Shorted the stock. It's going to dump, right? When you short, you sell first to drop it, and you buy to get out of it. Make sense? Short it, sell, get out of it. It takes 2 business days to get your money out your account. So what's today? Today is Tuesday. Christmas is Friday. You have today, you sell. Tomorrow, it settles. And then Thursday, withdraw. Make sense? 2 days. Short it, 2 days. Sell it. Withdraw the very next day or Thursday. Then you give me account the same day. Christmas money. With no news. But look at the top here. It's a Chinese company. Dangerous. YGMZ. It halted on volatility. And what's the opening price supposed to be? Let's see. Let me go to hot for a window and see something. The hot window. YGMZ. Damn, my allergy is killing me. Here we go. LUDP. Hard on volatility. 10:08 and 44 seconds. It's 10:14 now, which means We're past the 5-minute mark and it's still halted. So look for 10:18 and 44 seconds. So look for 10:18. I'm gonna hold the video until the halt expires and show you what the price happens when you come out of it. 5-day, 5-minute. Come out of this. We're gonna do this right quick. That one candle right there was approximately, let's see. This one candle was 1082 all the way down to 933. That's $1.50 5-minute candle. But a stock halts on 1-minute candles. So let's go further. From here was 1081 to here. That's $1.12. Now we know by now 10% of the price halts on 1-minute candle. There you go. 10% of this is $1.08. That was $1.21, I think I said. $1.12. It come out the halt, it's probably gonna pop $12 and we gone. 5-day, 15-minute chart is telling you that we're just getting started. 15 is right there, so close, right? So we're gonna watch it right here, the top right. In fact, I can put it right here. YGMZ. Perfect. And I'm gonna go here and say, watch this move out the halt. We got 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go over here and add more to my watch list until this halt comes out. I'm gonna show you the final resort. That's wrong letter. EQOS. U. Trade that in a long time. RKDA. My pet is back. AQMS, GNPX, one of my pets as well. EYES, traded that the other day. No, I didn't. EYEG, that's traded the other day. FCell, my pet, is also back. Fuel is making noise right now. MFH. Look down here though. SLGD. So, YGMZ halted at 1081, right? It says it may come out 1163. 12 million share flow, trade 114,000 shares. See that? Let's watch. Meanwhile, bottom right, look at Riot. I say 1250, right? Riot. Watching for 1250 on Riot. 1226 right now. 28. All right, the halt should end in 15 seconds. Let's watch. Watch this move. We have 9 seconds. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam, look at that. Took off. All right. I like to make it even long videos, so 1 minute more, I'm in the video. There's the move I told you about. Watch it pop 12 bucks. We have 18 seconds left. I'm in the video. $14 seconds left. And we almost there. Almost there. Alright. With that being said, let me call it a day. Y'all stay green. We one trade away.